Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
Web check-in opens 24 hours before scheduled departure for most airlines. You can use a laptop or smartphone to complete the process quickly. Have your booking reference, last name, and passport or government ID ready. Select seats, add baggage if needed, and pay any fees during check-in. Save your boarding pass as a mobile pass or print a paper copy if required. Arrive at the airport early when you have bags to drop or security lines. Check airline notifications for gate changes or boarding time. Start by visiting the airline website or opening its official mobile app. Enter your booking reference and last name on the web check-in page. Confirm traveler details including passport number, date of birth, and contact phone. Choose or change seats. Fees may apply for premium seats like exit row. Pay for checked bags online. Online fees often cost less than airport fees. Download the boarding pass PDF or add the mobile pass to your phone wallet. Print a backup boarding pass at self-service kiosks if needed. Arrive 2 hours early for domestic flights and 3 hours for international flights. Keep a paper copy of your passport or a fully charged phone as backup. If the mobile boarding pass fails, use the airline kiosk to reprint a paper pass. Update the airline app and clear cookies if web check-in shows errors. Contact airline support with your booking reference for unresolved check-in or document issues. Carry a printed or downloaded boarding pass for each traveler immediately after check-in.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.